a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby, she goes back.
Just me doing a little grinding. Yeah. Like I stated in the previous section, doing this pretty much to Actually, you know what? I'm going to try something different. Forgot about that. Hold on, viewers. Got something cool for you. Hello, it's me again. I'm testing something out here. Seeing as I have the device. This is a mini grinder I picked up online, of course, for really cheap that I didn't realize what the hell it was until I got it. And it's a Baldor grinder. So yeah, I'm going to use the mini Baldor. It's a Baldor 612R. I don't know why there's so much paint all over it. It doesn't look like someone resprayed. It looks like it just got overspray. I think it was in a paint shop. I don't know. Anyway, let's try it out. Don't do what I do. I think I need a way to hold this down. Need to clamp. Let's try this out again. Hello YouTube. It's kind of secure. It's just one of those really unsafe, good enough things. So let's try this out. It's got a wire. I got it with a wire brush in it. And it's a twisted wire brush. I think it's a 6-inch grinder, and hey, if it works, it works. Right? Let's try this out. Well, just to show you, the screw is pretty clean. That's what I did so far. The end part here, I'm gonna probably go through and weld it all and put it on my lathe and just shave it all off again. And I'll probably just leave this as a measure for it. I mean, why the hell not, right? Anyway, that's cool.